Let me show you all a cool little magic trick. I'm going to open the Instagram story camera without even touching my iPhone's display. See this. So how did I do that? Watch this video until the end to find out. Hi everyone, I am Aman Rashid and you're watching Gadgets 360. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new back tap feature in iOS 14. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet and do hit that bell icon so you're notified whenever a brand new video drops. With that said, let's get started. Do note that this feature is only available on iPhone 8 or newer models running iOS 14. Additionally, this feature is not available on the iPad. Now follow these steps. On your iPhone, open Settings, scroll down a bit and go to Accessibility. On the next screen, under Physical and Motor, tap Touch. Scroll to the end and go to Back Tap. You'll now see two options, Double Tap and Triple Tap. You can assign any action that's available in the list. For example, I've set the double tap action to take a quick screenshot, while the triple tap action opens the Instagram story camera via the Shortcuts app. And it's not just the Instagram camera. You can assign a shortcut to open the Instagram hashtag page. You can assign a shortcut to open the Facebook app. You can assign a shortcut to open the music finder on Shazam. Basically, there are a ton of shortcuts to play with, so simply visit the link on your screens right now to check out some amazing shortcuts that you can download on your iPhone. And once you have downloaded the shortcuts of your liking, you can use them by downloading Apple's Shortcuts app. Now back to the back tap feature. So now that you have assigned the double tap and triple tap action, simply exit to the home screen and yeah, that's about it. Now check this out. Double tap and I've just taken a screenshot. Triple tap to open the Instagram camera. I'll show it once again. See this. So cool. That's about it for this video. This is how you can enable the new back tap feature in iOS 14. Let me know in the comments what you plan to do with this nifty new feature. Also, give this video a like if you learned something new and do share it with others. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.